We'll guide you through how to share a Figma file. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Figma project on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your Figma account and have the file you want to share open. Once you're in the file, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a blue Share button. Click on that, and a sharing dialog box will pop up. In this box, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. If you want to give them different levels of access, you can do that too. Next to each email address you enter, there's a drop-down menu where you can choose between Can View or Can Edit. Select Can View if you want them to only be able to see the file without making changes, or Can Edit if you want them to have full editing capabilities. If you want to share the file with a larger group or on a public platform, you can also generate a link. Underneath the email entry box, click on Copy Link. This will create a link that you can paste anywhere, like in an email or a chat message. Before you copy the link, you can also adjust its permissions. Click on the Link Sharing Permissions dropdown to choose between Anyone with the link can view or Anyone with the link can edit, depending on what you need. Once you've set the permissions to your liking, go ahead and click Copy Link. Now you're ready to share the Figma file with your team or collaborators. Just paste the link wherever you need to share it. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can easily collaborate with others on your Figma designs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.